What's up, guys? I was looking into these speakers and I'm gonna pull this one because I'm not sure if this is a 12, I think it's S12C or S12D. So I want to see which one it is. There's a lot to take in here. All right, for starters, it's an S12D, which I wasn't gonna guess. I would have honestly guessed this was the S12C, but I'm no professional. Look at the price tag that is on the back of this sub. $489.99. March 27th, 2003. This thing is 21 years old. That is mind-blowing. I can't believe that. That is so cool. So now I need to go look up the specs for the S12D and figure that out as well. Alright, so according to the documentation, I don't know how well this is going to show up. The S12D handles up to 600 watt, and then it has 0.88 airspace requirement, which is exactly what I was thinking, but I don't know the difference between the C and the D, honestly. So yeah, I think we're okay on airspace. I mean, I could put a bigger amp to them, which I do have in my truck, but do I really feel like going through all that? I do not know. I'm looking up the amp now. 2 ohms is 300, 1 ohm is 300, so let me put some thought into that. Figure we'll at least try to kind of fine tune this a little bit. So the frequency response was supposed to be between like 20 and 100, I think, and this is turned all the way down, so we're at 32. Okay, that makes a dramatic difference. I'm gonna make the adjustment again. 32, about 100. The amp is pretty much turned all the way up. We'll test this out. All right, down. That's all the way up. All right, bass boost is plus 6 dBs. That's 0. 6. All right, so I think that's about as optimal as I'm gonna get it. And I've got it running on just one sub right now, just for the sake of like testing this. I'm a little worried about this sub. I don't know that this one's good. Yeah, this one doesn't sound too healthy. I think we just roll with the one and we try to face it towards that. So let me see what I can work out with that. All right, this is not great. So here's the situation with this, like with Flappy Boy. These are riveted in, from what I can tell. Like, I don't know if you can see that or not. I guess I'm just gonna cut it. What are these for? Why is all this in here, Lexus? Oh my god, we are free. Wait, I forgot. I gotta cut it one more time to get the cords out. Whatever, we'll do that in a second. We're passing you through, boys. You ready? Whoa. Oh boy, and it's raining. All right, let's finalize this. Yeah, this is cool. Now the real question becomes, how close can I get this sub to that hole? We're about to find out. That is pretty dang on tight, if I do say so for myself. Let me see if I can get that camera angle on this. That's how tight that is. Like, it's butting almost up against the thing. We'll look from the inside. Holy rain. This is cool. I don't know if this is practical. I do gotta kind of make sure nothing's gonna like this isn't gonna bother that. So I'll probably have to like tack this back. And it needs something to like, I'm gonna need a shim. Let me get a shim and we'll test this out. This should work as a temporary shim, right? Maybe. Or not. It's actually not thick enough. There's no way, right? Oh my goodness. Look at that. The Samet pumpkin spice air freshener comes in handy. Let's do this. My battery's gonna be so dead, man. What are we at? Let's go to 20.
Yeah, I'm only focused on winning. I don't see no competition. I used to dream, now I live it. I'm getting paid by the minute. Oh my goodness. That is nutty.
I need the light. Hold up. Oh my God. Oh man, this sounds so good. Now, there's no shot my car's gonna start now. Come on. Oh my God. We didn't murder the battery. Let's see what this thing sounds like running. Like, can I still hear myself think? Windows down. Oh. I think we got it, boys. The song's fading out. Let's just go to the next song. I wish you could hear how good that actually sounds in here. Like, this sounds really clean now. I can hear it from the outside like a little bit, but that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. I want it to be clean and good on the inside and not like too crazy on the outside. Yeah, on the inside. Oh. All right. I'm probably gonna get in trouble for this. Mustard! Forgive me, YouTube. All right, we got that dialed in. I got to call it. I'm getting rained on. It's insane. I don't even know if you can see it. Like, the rain is coming in this way. It's not hitting the car, but so I appreciate you guys watching. Also, I'm thinking about giving this one away. Like, if this is the only one I'm going to use, and this one, even though like I know there's like an issue. It sounds like there's an issue with it, but some of you diehards out there might know how to fix that, or tweak it, or use it at low levels or whatever. If y'all think I should give this sub away, drop a comment and we'll figure it out from there. Have a good night.